everyone, my name is Cao Yunhan. Today, I would like to talk about an important topic called sleep more, study better. As students, we often focus on studying, assessments, projects, and exams. Because of this, many students sacrifice their sleep in order to have more study time. Some students sleep very late at night and wake up early the next morning. They believe that studying longer will help them achieve better grades. However, is this really true? Can less sleep actually help us learn better? Today, I will explain why sleep is important for students and how good sleep habits can improve academic performance. Let me start with a simple question. How many of you stayed up late recently? Maybe you were studying for an exam, maybe you were rushing to finish an assessment, or maybe you were spending time on social media before sleeping. This is very common among students. Many students think that sleeping less gives them more time to study. At first, the idea sounds reasonable. If we stay awake longer, we have more time to read notes, complete homework, and prepare for exams. However, research shows that this is not always effective. The human brain needs enough rest to function properly. Without enough sleep, students may spend more time studying but learn less information. In other words, more study time does not always mean better results. Poor sleep can actually reduce academic performance. Now, let's look at what happens when students do not get enough sleep. The first problem is poor concentration. Students may find it difficult to focus during lecture or real study. The second problem is weaker memory. It becomes harder to remember information learned in class. The third problem is making more mistakes. Students may make careless errors in assessment, tests, and the exams. Lack of sleep can also affect emotions. Students may become more stressed, more emotional, and less motivated. In addition, poor sleep can weaken the immune system. As a result, students may become sick more often. So, lack of sleep affects not only academic performance but also physical and mental health. Many people think that the brain rests during sleep. Actually, the brain remains active while asleep. During sleep, the brain processes information collected throughout the day. It organizes and stores memories. This process helps us remember what we have learned. Sleep also helps brain cells recover and prepare for the next day. Think of sleep as charging a mobile phone battery. Without charging, the phone cannot work properly. The same thing happens to our brain. Without enough sleep, it becomes difficult to focus, remember information, solve problems, and think critically. That is why sleep is not wasting time. Sleep is actually an important part of learning. The good news is that we can improve our sleep habits. The first habit is sleeping earlier. Experts recommend that teenagers and young adults get around 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. The second habit is reducing phone usage before bedtime. Many students use their phone until very late at night. However, the blue light from screens can make it harder to fall asleep. Another good habit is maintaining a regular sleep schedule. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time every day. A comfortable sleeping environment can also help. For example, keep the room quiet, dark, and cool. Small changes like this can improve sleep quality significantly. Now, let's look at the benefits of getting enough sleep. First, students often perform better academics. They can focus better and remember information more easily. Second, sleep improves physical health. People who sleep well usually have more energy during the day. Third, sleep improves emotions well-being. Students may feel happier, calmer, and less stressed. Good sleep can also improve communication and relationship with others. When students feel rested, they participate more actively in class and work better in group. In short, good sleep creates benefits for both personal success and social life. The benefits of sleep can appear faster than many people accept. After 1 week of better sleep, you may notice that you have more energy. After 1 month, your concentration and memory may improve. After 1 session, your academic performance may become stronger. You may also feel healthier and more confident. After graduation, these health sleep habits can continue to benefit your career and personal life. Good sleep is not only useful for students, it is a lifelong habit that supports success and well-being. The earlier we develop this habit, the more benefits we can enjoy in the future. Today, we learned that sleep is extremely important for students. We learned that lack of sleep can reduce concentration, weaken memory, increase mistakes, and affect health. We also learned that healthy sleep habits can improve learning and academic performance. Remember this simple message: sleep more, study better. Before I end my presentation, I would like to encourage everyone to make one small change tonight. Try to sleep a little earlier. Put away your phone before bedtime. Give your brain enough time to rest. You may be surprised by how much better you can learn and perform. Thank you for your listening.